Over the years, due to the relatively backward rock drilling equipment for the mining engineering area in our country, major projects of the industry are monopolized by imported products. 10 years ago, with the lofty ideal of changing the industry structure, Zega people founded Zhejiang Zega Machinery Company Limited. At the pro-phase, the company was engaged in the R&D, production and sales of a series of rock drill rigs and air compressors. Those products are widely used in all kinds of mines, construction projects, and industrial gas sources. Since scientific and technological innovation is the fundamental source for the development of the enterprise, Technology Center of Zega is rated as the Zhejiang Provincial Level Enterprise Technology Center. So far, Zega has 45 national patents. As early as the beginning of the introduction of screw air compressor technology into China, Zega laid the focus on the R&D of medium-high pressure movable screw air compressors featured by high technology threshold. At present, there are nearly more than 100 varieties of products as per different user demands, where the full series of air compressor is rated as Zhejiang branded product. Rock drill rig is always the core product developed by Zega. Besides, Zega is the first enterprise at home successfully developing the down-the-hole hydraulic drill rigs, due to the introduction of hydraulic drive technology to pneumatic crawlers. ZGYX2500 drill rig researched by Zega early in 2004 has filled the gap of small and medium-sized semi-hydraulic pneumatic crawler, providing economic and efficient excavation equipment for modernization construction of our country. Having experienced years of constant optimization and upgrade, the products of this series have become the benchmarking of the industry. In 2007, since equipment for major projects and large mines in our country were totally monopolized by imported products, and domestic hydraulic self-propelled and self-contained blasting hole drill rigs were in blank, Zega people felt enormous pressure because as the national industrial backbone, the equipment manufacturing industry lacks independent production capacity generated by high-end rock drill rigs. In the meanwhile, Zega also observed huge business opportunities of the project through quantities of market researches and investigations and required by reliability, energy saving, environmental protection, and safety. Zega decided to develop high-end products keeping pace with the international level via numerous technological breakthroughs and application tests. Currently, Zega has successfully launched 2 series, full hydraulic drill rig and DTH drill rig of 8 product types. Although the painstaking efforts is recognized by the society, Zega is identified as the crawler-type surface drilling rig industry standard setting enterprise in China, and hydraulic drill rig is included into National Torque Plan by the Ministry of Science and Technology. Meanwhile, included into the State First Sets product in equipment manufacturing industry by the China Economic and Information Committee. The innovation has not stopped. Now, underground drill rig and rotary drill rig with bore diameter of 200 millimeters have entered the design review stage at the State High-Tech Enterprise and Advanced Manufacturing Base of Zhejiang Province. Zega has an excellent team and a rigorous and scientific management system. These are all the important safeguards for the provision of superior products. Over the years, in the process of constant adoption of new technologies, new processes, and new standards, all staff of Zega have been adhering to the guideline of detail-oriented, highly efficient, quality-based, and future building. Thus, quality of Zega products is always at the leading position in the industry, and in 2012, Zega won Quality Prize awarded by Chuzhou Municipal Government. We here too are grateful because we have fulfilled dreams constantly over the 10 years. Trust and selection from customers are the motivation for Zega to make progress continuously, and long-term support and great coordination from suppliers lay foundation for the superior products of Zega. Under the nurture of the enterprise culture, we innovate technology for infinity. All staff are working industriously and conscientiously to build a trustworthy image for Zega. Meanwhile, from the direction and care of all walks of life, Zega is moving towards higher ground and sensing the strength of the world. Nevertheless, at the time of harvest, Zega keeps reward in mind all the time. For a long time, Zega has made non-scheduled contributions to the society. On the occasion of the company establishment for 10 years, Zega hereby founds Zega Machinery Special Public Welfare Foundation at the CRCF, the Chinese Red Cross Foundation, so as to return to the society. Every year in the future, Zega will convey affection to those who need help continuously via the foundation platform. Self-confidence and diligence are the natural instincts of Zega people. China First and World Class are the targets of Zega people. For years, products of Zega are fully accepted by users all over China and are launched at the international market. We will take science and technology as the driving force, quality as the life, and service as the orientation, and continue to make unremitting efforts in the provision of efficient, energy-saving, environmentally friendly, and safe products.